Und jetzt? Now what? And? And?
Da kommt sie wieder, guck. Na, nicht treten.
No tree. Don't kill the ants. Tree's pool party. Today we are having a pool party.
So ist schön. So.
Hello friends and family and everybody who's watching. I'm still at my mom's place, and since last 2 days we don't have any internet, so we couldn't upload any video which I edited, but I hope we can do that soon once it is fixed. And it's very nice actually not to have internet, because now we can enjoy time with family, because my little brother is also here. And we were supposed to go home tomorrow, but we have to stay longer a little bit because my mom's husband couldn't finish our car yet, or he could not work on it yet, because he has to work every day, and today he will start, and maybe then he will be able to finish the car. And till then we will enjoy the sun with my little brother, with my mama, and with little Tree. So see you then when the internet is fixed. Bye!